Hi everyone, Brendan Guire here, MarineMax Clearwater. Today we are standing on a brand new 2026 230 SDX by Sea Ray boats. This is a new model for last year. We have a 250 V8 naturally aspirated Mercury for the power of this boat. We have sea deck all throughout the swim platform, all the way up to the bow, into the cockpit, and through the starboard side stairs here. A lot of space back here. We can change this seat to be able to make it a sun pad. Massive bimini here for shade. We do have a power tower that's controlled from under the aft cushion here. We do have forward and aft facing seating with bolsters. A lot of cup holders, phone chargers, all over the place in this boat. We do have the stereo controls here. We have a small glove box here, as well as another one here at the helm. Sea Ray's done a great job with the amount of storage that they've now done in this area. We do have a porta potty here. Moving to the bow, nice courtesy lighting throughout the boat, and we do have a table here as well as a cockpit table, and we have a anchor storage there as well. Moving here to the helm, another glove box here, and then a single Simrad NSX screen. We do have trim tabs on this boat and tilt steering wheel here. This is the 230 SDX. My name is Brendan Guire. Come see us here, MarineMax Clearwater.